common denominator. Keep it up for me. See how we roll. How the money comes in. The parade comes to town. Going down Broadway is a one-way street. Whichever way I go.
So extreme weather has always happened, and Hurricane Irma's coming. And where I am, I feel safe, so I'm staying in Florida. And I'm not leaving. I'm not freaking leaving! Even if the power goes off! This is my home! They're gonna need to play Miley Cyrus's Wrecking Ball to get me out of here! They're gonna need to send REO Speedwagon like in 1973, cause I'm riding the storm out! Riding on the storm out, waiting for the power to go out, on a sweltering night in a humid Florida summer. My wine bottle's flowing, waiting for Irma's show, thinking about what my friends up north are missing. And I'm not missing a thing. I got my snacks, bottled water, mini grill with propane, and I'm riding the storm out. 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 My lady's beside herself. Man, I'm hunkering down by myself. She said, stay here alone, so I boarded up the windows and locked down the house. The wind outside's blowing hard, you know, but not as hard as the blowhards on the news shows. They're paid to sell out all the stores, especially Home Depot. And I'm not missing a thing. I got my snacks, bottled water, mini grill with propane, and I'm riding the storm out. 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 Oh, whoa, yes I am. Riding the storm out. I'm riding the storm out. I'm riding the storm out. Riding the storm out. I'm riding the storm out. I'm riding the storm out.